Hi everyone, welcome to our latest feature release update. I'm Ranju and I'm proud to show you the next big thing we have brought to life, the Automation Hub, a brand new feature that gives you access to all the custom automations that we built to support your unique scenarios. From day one, you'll have access to 30 plus PiaPacks that you can download and install on your tenant. These include chatbot automations, SmartForms automations, extension automations, and blueprints that you can use as templates for your own custom builds. These automations cover your day-to-day services scenarios such as user management, security and device management, along with email management, and much more. Whether you use them as a standalone automation or mix and match to create something more tailored, the Automation Hub gives you the flexibility to work the way you need to. Not just that, you can see what automations are trending in the MSP space or easily get updates for your PiaPack without having to wait for a bigger release. Now, isn't that exciting? Automation Hub is now live. Go explore it and let us know what your user built. We can't wait to see how you take it even further. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next update.